What time is it right now? 6:14. We are heading to the bus that we are assigned, and then we will do a pre-trip to verify that the bus is safe to drive this morning. People are trusting us to get them from point A to point B safely. People are putting really their lives in our hands. I take that serious. I know that they schedule their lives, they schedule their classes, they schedule getting to work, they schedule getting to doctor's appointments, and so to the best of my ability, I'm going to get them there on time. So it's 11:30, it's my break time. I've handed the bus off to the other driver, and now I'm going to eat my lunch. I'm just a people person. I like interacting with people. I think we're just all on this journey of life, and if I can positively influence somebody's day, then that's a plus. I can hardly go in Walmart in Denton without somebody saying, "Hey, you're my bus driver." Stuff like that makes your day. This is my last stop of the day, so goodbye.